Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing nails and your workspace. Remove shine, push back cuticles, and wipe with alcohol so acrylic bonds. This prevents lifting. Next, you mix monomer and powder. Aim for a tacky, manageable bead, roughly 1:1 for thin overlays or 1:2 for stronger tips. Once mixed, load your brush and test a small bead on a practice surface so you know the set time. Make sure tools are within reach before you begin application to keep timing consistent. You place the first bead just behind the cuticle, not on it, and push it slightly toward the free edge while patting to control thickness. This prevents flooding the cuticle and gives a neat base. Once you have a foundation bead, add thin layers down the center to form the apex for strength and natural curve. After each placement, smooth with a lightly damp brush to eliminate ridges. If you need more volume, add small beads rather than one big blob to avoid uneven curing. You finish by filing to the desired shape, refining the apex to avoid pressure points, and buffing for a smooth surface. This creates a professional look and ensures top-coat adhesion. Once shaped, clean dust away and apply a top coat for shine and protection, allowing full drying time. If you notice bubbling, poor adhesion, or lifting, remove the compromised acrylic back to the natural nail, re-prep with alcohol and primer, and reapply thin layers. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.